Hey guys, I'm back. So I am here with another bag review. This one's definitely one of my favorites pretty recently because I actually just found out about it the past few months, I guess. It is the Tory Burch Lee Radziwill, because I actually YouTube trying to figure out how to like pronounce her name correctly. Anyway, so this is it. I believe this is the medium size because there's actually 4 sizes, which I will talk about later. But basically, it's like this really cute top handle, which obviously looks like a very much resembles the Kelly, Birkin's Kelly. But yeah, so basically it has like these 2 magnetic handles in the front where you can like just like slide out, or you can unlock with the key. And there's like a top handle, and ow. But it opens up. Oh, let me actually take that out. So I actually got it yesterday, and I'm still on the line whether I'm keeping it or not, just because I told myself I wasn't gonna splurge. But so there's a pocket here, and there's 2 inner pockets in here. I don't know if you see it. Actually here. One of my favorite things is that you can hold it 2 ways. So you can actually hold it as a top handle, like that. Hold on. So it looks like this. Or you can do it as like a shoulder bag, which I love. It's just so cute. And I just really love how like, I like the color, because I actually don't have anything really beige. I have a lot of blacks and gold because that's what I always gravitate toward. But I think this is just so cute. And I love how it's very minimal. Like the only thing that you can see, and even then, I ideally prefer don't even like having logo on there, but you can really only see it like right here. But it's like as subtle as it gets. It's very like Miss Maisel. So cute. And this is the bottom. Okay, alright, so let's get into the details, or moving back. So basically, there's actually 4 sizes. It's the, I believe it's the petite, the small, and medium and large. The only thing is that online you only see the large. You only see 3 sizes and not the medium. And so it's a little confusing because for me, when I tried it in store, I thought that the biggest one was the large, but really it's actually the medium. So you just have to check on that when you're online and I guess in store, just because for me personally, I'm like 5'1" on a good day, 5 I guess. But I thought the medium one looks a lot more proportional to me. And so when I actually ordered it online, like the size I thought that it was, it just didn't look right. And so I went to the store and they're like, oh yeah, we actually have 4 sizes. We just don't have it on the website, which I thought was kind of weird. And also, the medium one is the same size as the large one, which is kind of confusing too, because I'm like, what's a little smaller? It's less leather, shouldn't it? You know? So I felt like, anyways, that's a whole different story. But it's helpful. It was smooth leather. It was smooth leather, so like it can't get scratched easily. That's like the only thing I'm hesitating about, just because I tend to wear things like on the shoulder, and I'll just like brush by things like buildings, and so it'll scratch the purse. So we'll see. But I really like the style. Like I think it's just a really nice, I don't know, I like it a lot. That's all I can say. But hey guys, I'm back on here to emphasize a little bit more on the bag. So the pros of it is that it is very timeless. It's very simple, minimal, not simple, it's minimal style. And so I think it goes very well like with a jacket, with a casual outfit. It just brings it up, and it's just very understated, which I love a lot. I love subtle, very subtle. The logo, you can barely see it. It's like right at the very top, which I love. And like, it's just, I don't know, it's a very cute piece. The con, as I can see, would be one, the leather, just because it is smooth leather, so I think that it can easily get scratched, or you can easily see some blemish on it, which, I mean, I get it, like, you know, it's just a purse, so I mean, you can see some wear and tear, but I just know myself where I might be a little bit less cautious, so I might just like, you know, walk through or brush against a wall or something and scratch it and internally cry. And that, I think that it might be a little bit open sometimes, but it's just so cute that... Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and please hit like and subscribe, and see you next time. Alright, bye.